Hello friends, we are here with a new programmer, that is IO programmer named Jig programmer. As you can see here, it is named Jig M88 Vertino and it is also known as Edit programmer also. In India it is also known as I. Okay, now in this place, this is the connection point which is being given. This is the connection point which is reflecting this particular connection. Okay, now here we have this particular small board which can convert 1 mm cable to various jacks. Here as you can see, from high end to small end. Okay, now here as you can see, here you see G A B C D is written over here. It states the number of IO which is being present, and it is being defined as A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Whenever you program any ENE IO, you have to connect the cable from this end. This will be used if your cable is small, like 0.8 mm or 0.5 mm. Then this comes to action, and you have to connect it via this end to this end. You will find two same ports which will be connected simultaneously with this cables, and it can be used. You have to place this particular jack. This is the jack. You have to check for the particular ground cable, and you have to place it here. G here is represented as ground. As you can see, G is a ground over here. You have to put it over here. Just seeing it, you just put it over here, and this is your ground cable which will be connected to your motherboard. And similarly, you have to make the connection of this particular jacks to this jack in the case of ENEIO, not NITEIO. In ITEIO, you have to just check it via your the software is available. In the software, there is option you can directly select the pins over there and you can do the job. It is a very easy programmer. Secondly, we have a edit cable over here. This is the cable of edit. You have to just place it above this particular black point. Okay, I'll show you how. You have to just place this edit above this particular line like this. Like this you have to place. Like this. You have to just place that edit position, and you have to just plug it into your LCD or LED according to the jack, and you have to just press the read button, and your job will be done for that. In part 2, I'll show you how to use the software. This is the part 1. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we have a cable which is connecting from this end to this end. This is basically 0.1 mm jack which will be converting 0.1 mm to various mm jacks. Like for example, you will have over here 0.8 mm and 0.5 mm jacks also. Let's see here. This is the lowest mm jack available in this board. So according to that, according to the motherboard, you have to decide, and these are the cables. You will get approximately 7 cables from this programmer which you can use. 7 cables from this programmer which you can use for particularly programming purpose. Accordingly, in this programmer, USB has been used as a power supply, and this USB is freely available as a printer port. The cable is not in tension over here. And in part 2, we will be discussing all about the software. This is part 1. Thank you.